your CCTV setup is lying to you. This tester exposes everything in 7 inches. You ever spend hours messing with your CCTV setup, crimping cables, aligning cameras, running tests, only to realize your tools are straight up clowning you? Glitchy feeds, confusing interfaces, dead batteries halfway through a job. Sound familiar? Whether you're an installer, tech, or just the designated camera guy, you know the pain of unreliable gear. It's like trying to paint a masterpiece with a crayon. One wrong cable, one bad PoE signal, and bam, hours down the drain. You're not lazy, you're using the wrong gear. Time to ditch the janky testers and level up to something that actually shows up. Deadlines don't care that your tester's battery tapped out again. Clients aren't impressed by "hold on, let me try this other port for the 6th time." Every second you waste on bad diagnostics is money walking away, fast. The stress piles up, your tools can't keep up, your bandwidth tests lie, and your boss is breathing down your neck asking why the NVR still isn't syncing. Burnout's not creeping anymore, it's pounding on the door. In this game, second best doesn't cut it. Your career, your sanity, and your back pocket are all screaming for a fix. Loudly. Meet your new secret weapon, the Triplet 8174 CamView 7. This bad boy's not just a tester, it's a freaking command center in your hand. 7-inch Retina touch display so sharp it makes your phone jealous, with 8MP camera testing, PTZ control, full HDMI input and output, and 16 hours of battery, yes, 16. Built-in Wi-Fi analyzer, dual gigabit LAN ports, Chrome browser, 2.4G spectrum analysis, ONVIF, TDR, UTP, yeah, it basically does everything except make coffee. This isn't just gear, this is gear that gets it. Instantly level up your workflow, kill the guesswork, and walk into every install like a boss. This tester doesn't just save time, it makes time irrelevant. With zoom, snapshot, screen record, network scan, PoE testing, hotspot generation, and built-in Chrome, it's like carrying a whole IT bench in your tool bag. Simplify everything. Work cleaner. Get sharp reads on the first try. No more second-guessing ports, cables, signal strength, or video feeds. If you're serious about your installs, you owe it to your hustle to check this out. Tap that video, hit the link below, and see why pros are ditching their outdated testers in droves. You don't have time to waste, and this tester doesn't waste your time. Join the thousands of techs who've already upgraded their game and kissed troubleshooting headaches goodbye. Stocks are moving fast, because once people see what this thing really does, they don't hesitate. Don't get left behind with yesterday's tools. Seize the upgrade. Trust Triplet. Trust yourself. Click now, snag yours, and show your next job who's really in control. Because average tools make average techs. But this? This makes legends.